My uncle up in Canada, he works for a big sports shop up there, and he brought us one of those butt outs a couple years ago, and he loves it. He always talks about it, but I'm always trying to cut weight, so I don't want to bring it. But my father's been using it and loves this thing, and I'm not really sure because I haven't used one, so we're gonna try it out here and see how it works. We're gonna try to do how to gut a deer here, but we'll see with the camera how it shows up at the end. No, I don't need that.
What you do is put it into the angle all the way till the stopper, like that. Turn it once till it gets tight, like that, and pull.
Oh wow!
And that's it. Now you tie it. Unbelievable! This was real clean when I did it the other day.
Oh, that's really nice. Hell. Holy crap!
And then you cut that off.
Okay. Yeah.
That, and then you cut around here. That's it, and that's done. That'll come out inside now.
Oh yeah, smart. Wow, let me see that. How it all sticks. That's good. And then it comes right off there.
And then bring it home and I wash it.
Wow. Smooth. Very smooth. Oh, he's got a lot of urine coming out.
Come here, piece here.
What I do is I always lock my leg behind their leg to hold them open, and it'll roll semi. I do a nick and it'll peel the layers away until you hit the rectus abdominis, which is this red muscle right here. See that? The white and that muscle. Usually that muscle you could barely nick it. It'll open, and I put my finger right into there like that. So I spread my two fingers like this, pushing in between the guts and that, and I just barely use the tip here of the knife, and I barely ride it up there, and I go all the way up to the ribs. Gutted a couple of these in my time.
I got the little saw for that too.
Yeah, I got it on my hip. Okay, come right here. So now I'm right up to the diaphragm here.
But I got the saw if you want.
Yeah, but right to there. At this time you could take out a saw, or back in the day we just used a knife. I mean, just push away the diaphragm, get this in here, right up. Okay. Now, when you open here, see this? That's the diaphragm. You just want to nick it at the highest point of the rib, and it's going to come. Don't pop those guts. Watch your fingers. Nick it. It'll fall on that side. Cut it all the way down, and same on this side. Okay, so now that you're in here, you're going to want to get a little string for it, and you're going to have to take, right there is the trachea and the esophagus above the heart, and you're going to put your hand just like this on the other side of it, and what you're going to want to do is get a rope in there. This is the proper way to do it, and the reason why is you don't want all that stomach acids coming out. Take the rope, double spin it, a double knot, and then tie it tight. This way none of your stomach acids come out, the bile or all the stomach juices come up, and you're capped off there. Take your knife, be very careful. They have a rib spreader we have. I just don't want to use it. Are you in there?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so now you're going to take your knife at this angle, cut the trachea, esophagus, and you're going to hold it right there. Now you're here, and you're going to pull that one shot. Watch your knife, you don't lose it, which happens. Okay. See here, this is part of your diaphragm coming all the way down. You just rip it right there. You're going to do the same on the other side, and now you're going to grab the whole cavity here, and it's going to come right out, and here's your anal cavity.
The butt out tie.
Right there. You can't ask for anything smoother. Pop her own.
The heart, we got to take the heart.
We're gonna take the heart and the liver. It's a good young deer. All you're gonna have left in there is this blood and fat. And what I do is, when they're fresh, you could do this. You take the leg and flip them. Take that front shoulder, flip them, and I give them a couple good pumps. All right, so I got my rope on them. I just want to show you.
You got to get them away from the blood.
Yeah, but I just want you to see how clean. Just a little blood, but everything's spotless. That's perfect meat. It's gonna be good. Good shot too. Look at that. What a shot. 150 grade.
168.
Oh, 168.
Ballistics.
Yeah, man, what a hole.
Winchester.
Whew. I just told
Spezzadine.
Spezzadine.
Spezzadine soup with the lamb
That's what we're gonna do. With
or the goat.
I just told Tony.
Yeah, Spezzadine.
Liver's perfect, healthy. If you're gonna eat the organs, what you want to look for two things. Well, here you go, leaves on it, but
I got no.
no, that's okay.
Egg.
You're gonna look for spots. It should be blue colored and no spots. If you see white spots, brown spots, fatty spots, you throw it out. You never keep it. But this is a perfect liver, and the heart is good. You cut it open in the valves here, and you get all the blood out of the valves. And that's it, and these are good.
And we're good to go.
Whole process of gutting a deer. Now, I've done so many with all our family over the years. I started at the age of like 8, 7 gutting these things with my family. But when you're new, beginning, take your time. There's no rush. You got your deer. You're gonna have a long haul out usually. So take your time, go slow. These tips are gonna really help you out here in getting a good harvest successfully field dressed. And when you get good at it, 1 to 3 minutes, I'm literally done. So we got a lot of doe tags, we have a lot of experience, and hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and stay tuned because I got a slammer buck I just put on the ground 2 days ago with epic footage. I hope you guys hold out, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know exactly when my video is coming out, but it should be 7 p.m. Eastern time. Take care.